Hello traders, how are you? Happy weekend and wonderful trading week to all. Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and this video is my weekly Forex forecast and analysis for the week of 13 to 17 December 2021. I would like to wish you in advance a very happy holiday season. I hope you will have a fantastic one. And the coming year 2022 would be an amazing year for you. So this video is my weekly Forex forecast, and I have some great trading ideas to share with you. So let's begin. Just one thing before I jump in my trading platform and the charts. If you are new to this channel, welcome to our fantastic community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Please follow the subscribe button below the video. Just remember to enable the ring notification there so you know when there is a new content available for you. And also I would like to invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club, and enjoy all our real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education. The links could be found below this video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section again as well below the video again as well. So the two ideas I have in mind, that's the Aussie franc and this is the first one which I want to discuss. So what do we see here technically speaking? So looking on a longer term view, not the one I'm going to trade, but looking on a longer term view, we have a massive slowing down here cycle. A huge bullish divergence between the lows of this cycle, which technically speaking hints that very likely for the long term, this pair is after buys. Taking that into consideration, watching on the first leg up, it's built by two waves, and then we have two waves of the corrective cycle. The interesting part is that we are retesting the low of the previous downtrend, low 1, and the low of this uptrend, low 2. This is a strong zone, and look at this engulfing right at the end here. All that creates a false breakout below this low. As you can see, attempts to make a lower low and fails. Beautiful engulfing hints that there is a good chance we are going up. Going to the daily chart, what we've had here is an extreme divergence creating this low. We had a completely new low on the histogram of the MACD compared to all the previous low available on this downtrend, and RSI was bouncing right from the 20. This is an extreme sell-off and a beautiful bounce. And the interesting part here also that the daily comes with engulfing and more than 3 sequent higher highs, higher lows, bullish candles. So I find it a very promising technical condition. Look what happens here, false break with a bullish divergence. We flip to make higher highs already. So the way I see that, pullbacks and further buy is the right trading plan for this pair. Looking for setups with pullback in a bullish direction is my plan here. Let me know what do you think about the Aussie franc and how would you trade this one. The next one on the list is Euro New Zealand. What I see on this instrument is a bearish cycle also coming to the end with a bullish divergence on the moving averages. Beautiful bounce so far with two massive weekly candles. Then the previous candle, weekly candle, was inner. So I personally think we are now in some sort of corrective phase to the upside on this instrument. Going to the daily chart, after the bounce here of the false breakout, fake low, and a bullish divergence, lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the indicators, and we can see that everywhere on histogram, moving average, and RSI, we flip to create convergence. This convergence also creates a momentum which we can find on the lower time frame, okay, making a sequence of higher highs, higher lows. The way I see that, we are now in a corrective phase, and at the end of this corrective phase, we should see the pair shooting upside. So the ideal scenario would be if we can complete here some sort of two waves corrective movement. Of course, there is a possibility that it just ranges here, breaks through, retests, and continues as well if the bullish momentum would be regained instantly. So these two opportunities are the ones I am looking to trade this week. Of course, it's just two of a much bigger list. Let me know what do you think about them, and I invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club. As I mentioned before, the link to that is below the video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section, and you would enjoy all our real-time trading ideas, all our real-time trading education, and our supportive trading channel and trading group we have dedicated to our trading club. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful trading and a month ahead. Thanks for your time, and see you soon. Bye for now.